welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a TJMaxx / HomeGoods haul. I don't normally go to TJMaxx or HomeGoods, and when I do, I don't buy this much normally. This was kind of a birthday gift for me from my husband to go shopping and just get whatever I wanted. Although I didn't get everything I wanted, I obviously kept it at a really good amount. So I'm gonna show you guys some stuff I found that I really liked. I wanted some new fall outfits or like fall clothes. Also, I wanted some Rae Dunn home decor along with some one fall thing. So I'm gonna just jump right into the clothes. I picked up this black cardigan. I wear a lot of t-shirts, as you can tell, and in the wintertime I just put a t-shirt on and then I throw a cardigan over the top. So I just picked up this cardigan. It is so soft, it's pretty thin. This one is by Strazi. I don't really know the company names or what this is about. The regular price, it says it's $49, and I picked it up for $14.99. I love going to shopping at TJMaxx. I think you just find some really, really good deals. The next thing is I just really needed my own pair of shorts. These ones were just Under Armour. They have pink at the top and they are gray. Their normal price is $24.99. I picked them up for $12.99. And I just don't have any of my own shorts. I just wear my husband's clothes. And when I was pregnant, I stretched all of his shorts out. So now they're even like super big on me. But I don't know. I just wanted my own pair. And I guess I don't have to have a reason why. These were my favorite buys. They are these long pants. They are like black and burgundy and white. They're striped. These were only $7.99. I'm not sure what the original price is because I didn't have like a tag with the original price, but I don't even care because these are the most comfortable pants I have ever found and bought myself in my entire life. The next thing, I just needed some black leggings. These are 90 degrees, I'm almost positive. Yeah, 90 degrees. And these are $16.99. And then these are $16.99. It says the regular price on here is $88. I'm not sure if I actually believe that because I feel like you can find the 90-degree pants like at all kinds of places. So I don't know, but I just really needed some. I wear them out because I wear them every day, probably twice a week. So I needed some. And then I grabbed another cardigan because like I said, I'm pretty plain Jane. This was $14.99. It is this green color. I don't have anything green, but this really caught my eye and I really, really liked it. So this was $14.99. It is by Verve Ami. I don't know. And it says it's $54. So, guys, I feel like I've already saved like $1,000. And then the last thing is like this dress. I thought this was really pretty. It's a little big because they only had a large, but I liked it anyways. It is gray and white and it has buttons all down the front and it has a little tie in the middle. And I really liked this. It's like a quarter length sleeve, although you can like roll it all the way down, but it has like a button to hold the sleeve up. This one was $16.99, and then I'm not sure the regular price. It's by Japana. I don't know name brands at all, but I just know I like TJMaxx, and I haven't bought any clothes in a really, really long time. So now into the really fun stuff. Rae Dunn is all over the place, and I always want to buy things, but I never have anywhere to put them, so I tried to like buy things that I knew I'd have a spot for or that I really, really, really wanted. This made me really excited. They had a ton of really good smelling Rae Dunn candles. I have never been able to find one that smelled good. This one says blessed on it, and this one is vanilla. This one is so good. And they also had some like pumpkin ones that smelled really good as well, but they all said blessed on them, so I didn't want to buy. They were kind of like clear and they had like the fall colors, and I thought that I could just keep this one out year round, so I just decided to go with this one. The next thing I got that was Rae Dunn was this picture frame. This one says live, laugh, love. I'm just gonna throw a picture of my girls in here, maybe of the family, our little family, I don't know. It's a 5x7 frame. This one was $12.99. And this little candle was also $7.99, but like I said, it's like a year-round thing, so that's kind of what I was going for, although I really liked all of their like fall decor, things like that, but I don't know, I just loved this frame, loved the candle. This is the only thing that I did buy that was fall. This one says hello fall. This is Rae Dunn as well. I just think she's so great. I don't know what makes me like this. I was like telling my grandma about this stuff the other day, and she was like, I don't get it. I'm like, yeah, I guess nobody does, but I just like the way this looks. I like the writing. This is really cool. This is just gonna go on a shelf. I recently, you guys, redid my garage sale. I recently redid my garage sale, why can't I say that right? Shelf. That is coming up so soon for you guys. I'm really thrilled to show you guys what I did with that. It was only like $5. Anyways, we'll go on and talk about something else later, but you guys, it's coming up, so stay tuned. It's taking me a little bit longer. This I grabbed to redo that as well. It's just a little basket. It's really, really cute. This one was $12.99. And although they had cheaper baskets, I just liked the colors of this. I liked the way it looked, and I don't know, this one caught my eye. This was also, I forgot to tell you guys, this one was $9.99. The next thing that I grabbed, I really want to redo my craft room. Do you guys want to see a video of me redoing my craft room? I don't know. Do you want to see me decluttering and cleaning it? I think I'm going to make a video on that. And then if you want to watch it, you can. If you don't, you don't. But it's going to be insane. It is a mess, and I have talked my husband into helping me clean it. So that is another video, work in progress. I don't know, really excited about doing that. But anyways, I want to redo my craft room, and I picked up 2 of these. I love these. These are so cute. These were $12.99 a piece. Like I said, I picked 2 of these up. HomeGoods has some amazing things, and I could have bought a million things from that place, like a million. And they also had ones like this with Rae Dunn on them, although I just kind of passed on them. There's so much Rae Dunn, like not crafting, but like office supply type things. They had carts, they had all kinds of stuff. I thought the carts were kind of small, so I did pass on that. I wish I had a picture for you, but this is what I did buy. This is the like little Rae Dunn, like little cabinet. I don't know, what's it called? I don't know why I just called it a cabinet. It's like a little to-do list and like done, like bills, not bills. I don't know, I loved this. This is a pretty big size. This one was $19.99, so I almost thought it was better in my budget than the things that were like $40 and $50. So that's why I picked that up. I think this will look really good in my craft room. So yeah, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't do normal like Tjmaxx and HomeGoods hauls. Like I never shop there. So this is different. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.